What's up, everyone? I'm back after a few weeks of crazy self-control, not buying trainers because I have way too many, or sneakers as Americans say. But this was a sale purchase, Footlocker sale, and I'm really excited to know what these trainers look like because I haven't seen them in store. I haven't really been going to stores. Plus, this box has been closed for 2 days now. I keep saying I need to unbox, I need to unbox, I need to do the video, I need to do the video. So I haven't even opened it. And proof, it says open here. Haven't opened it. Should have just opened the back and just lied to everyone. But yeah, hopefully they are as nice as they looked in the picture. And should I just do it from this side? Right there. Let's hear that sound. I think I just broke my arm doing that. Hopefully. Oh, I like that. It says Footlocker. Unbox, share with Footlocker EU. Enjoy your kicks. I really like that actually. It's a bit different. Let me just take out the invoice. I like that. I don't know why I like that, but I do. It opens. Ooh. Quickly, what would you think that is? Of course, it's an Air Max. So what is it? Let the camera just focus on that. It's Air Max 98 Particle Grey, Track Red. And I was so confused. I was thinking, are they a 97? Are they a 98? You know what? Lucky dip. Let's just see what arrives. Ooh. Ooh, I like those. Whoa. I like those are way better than what I would have thought. Those are nice. I like those. That is sick. It's kind of like a nubuck material type of thing. Obviously the different layers. Got red, grey. This is what I like. I like trainers with like shades of colours. So like greys, 2 shades, 3 shades of grey. Someone's gonna make a 50 shades of grey joke. Just like a couple shades of grey, whatever, and then boom, one bright colour. That is amazing. I really like those. Nice red inside. White laces. This bit's white. I'm actually really pleased with these. I think these are more of a trainer that I wear with tracksuits. I've got a lot of grey tracksuits. And these will go well with a grey tracksuit. I also will be doing a on-foot video with a grey tracksuit on to show what they look like. But I'm actually pleased with these. It's really nice colorway. Good for the summer and the winter. Because, you know, the mix of colours. So it's an all year round shoe. Very pleased. I don't know what I'd rate it out of 10, but I really like them. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get the 1K ASAP. Share to your friends and that. And hopefully I can build my channel up more and more. And no one pays me for any videos or anything. Everything I do is out of my own pocket. So subscribing just will help me out. And I'll be able to buy more cool sneakers like these and just review them. And also when I do hit 1K, I want to do a giveaway for a trainer that I really like. So that will be done as well. Thank you for watching. Peace.